I've got buffaloes. F2A buffaloes, yes. Ah.
Destination reached. Autopilot mode disabled.
Oh, god darn it. Should be hard to strike me down here. Hmm. Okay. Oh, there's a battleship. Cruiser decided to be an idiot. Oh. Well, what do we have here? I don't know why we're still dealing with biplanes here. We have better planes. Stop using this garbage. I am so annoyed by cruisers. Oh god. This is just painful. Please. Where's the tier 7 carrier to deal with that? Oh. Their anti-air is really, really good. And that's really, really annoying. I should be dealing with booster, not a Shanhor.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Oh, come on, they're already able to fire at me. Ah, god damn it. They're shredding my squadrons to ash. I'm unable to do anything. Oh god. Got him. Ah, finally, I hit something. I'm gonna look forward to the day I see myself having a better tier. I need to get to tier 7 now. This is just painful. Okay, that warspite better do his job.
The enemy team has taken the lead. Tiger airborne.
Oh no. Can you, maybe not retreat so far away?
Autopilot mode enabled.
What's the North Carolina doing? Oh my god, that battery! Ah! On, guys! Yeah, oh no, they're not making it. They are not making it. Ah! Oh, yeah. Oh.
Torpedoes astern.
Ah! This is just painful. Come on. Come on. Oh no. You might want to start running. Oh boy. Okay, the Nuremberg's down. And so as to destroy that, well, sunk the Nuremberg. uh, this is just painful. What the? Ow. It's a battleship. I think it can take quite a pounding. Sad little German guns. Yeah, sure. Oh, there he is. The shit talk in the comments is beautiful. Like, just, ah. I like some good chaos like this. Okay, let's see how well. What? Oh no. The carrier's exposed. You might have been a bit premature on that. Ouch. Well, at least I'm not the only one gone. No carriers for anybody that's here.
The enemy is about to win.
I mean, it's not like this destroyer can do anything, but he did have the glory of sinking the Rujo, which is pretty nice. Oh my god. Hmm.
Battle
Wait.
ends in 5 minutes.
Ah, actually, I think this ends pretty quickly. Okay, yeah, no, you're not winning a gunnery duel. Okay. Ah, well, yep. Made it to 1,000. My god. My planes couldn't do anything. Okay, let's see. What the hell? Really? Tier 7. Wait, hold on. Tier 8. Tier 8. Tier 8. Tier 7. Tier 8. Tier 8. Tier 8. Tier 7. What the hell? Only the Gled and Rojo were even my level. God, that's just painful. uh, oh. Yeah, that was brutal. I got my ass beat. Behold the power of the Ranger. Okay. Okay, so what do I want?
Autopilot mode enabled.
There. Right where the former formation would be.
Battle starts. Awaiting instructions.
I might just try my dive bombers as well. But I really could use some, I don't know, devastators? Oh, it's a Russian. Chariot.
Enemy force detected.
Get out of there. Oh my god.
Fighter airborne. Destination reached. Autopilot mode disabled.
Oh, come on. Ah. The screens are too powerful. Okay, I'm gonna see if this will do better. I still have biplanes for this as well? Are you telling me that my attack aircraft are the only thing that got... Are you telling me the attack aircraft got to have monoplanes, but not the torpedo bombers? Yet, pretty annoying.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
Could they, I don't know, do anything to split them up?
All stations. Concentrate fire on the target.
Ah. Send out a squadron of torpedo bombers. Finally they're isolated enough. Hmm. On, force them to move out of that position. Oh, come on. What rank did... Ah. Gotta pin me. Really? 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 Ah. Ah. God darn it. Hmm. This is gonna be such painful. Okay, we're gonna try going, let's see. Ah, they're in squads. They're separated into groups. Oh, so finally this one decides to head out. Got him. Finally. Oh. You're kidding me. Okay, I'm gonna cover them. I've got to follow this Queen Elizabeth around.
The enemy team has taken the lead. Fighter airborne.
Oh, good.
Ship is on fire.
Hmm.
Fighter returning to ship. Fighter airborne. Problem solved, sir.
Okay, this is...
Fighter airborne.
Oh, come on. Well, I'd say it's pretty thoroughly over. I mean, one day I'll get a victory out of this. Thing that, today's not that day. Saying that... anything I can get here. Finally! Oh, I am so happy. I get the Devastator at long last. Along with the Vindicta and the I get the F4F Wildcat and the Devastator with this aircraft carrier. Perfect. Actual planes that aren't horrendous. $15 of them, nice. I'm gonna look forward to having a Devastator squadron available. Because currently I'm using what? I mean, the SBC Helldive is pretty renowned, I suppose. But no, we're going for the Vindicta. And I'm absolutely upgrading this thing. This thing it needs upgrades. F46, F Hellcat, F4U 1D Corsair, F4U 1D Corsair plus an extra bunch, the TBF Avenger, and the SB2C Helldiver. I like the fact... oh, I get Dauntlesses. SBD Dauntless. Along with SB2C Helldiver, so... I eventually am gonna get one of the most famous torpedo bombers in American history. I just have to, somehow get a lot of experience points, but we're getting this one, then we're getting the 10,000, I think it is here. Then we're getting the 25,000 for the Independence, which Wildcat, Wildcat, Avenger, Devastator, Douglas, SBD4, Douglas, and then we're getting the Yorktown. Now, at the point at which I'm at the Yorktown, I'm not going to be going down this line anymore. We're not going for the Essex. So, we're, at least for me, this ends once I get this aircraft, really. Or this aircraft carrier. In fact, to be fair, for me, this side of the American tree ends once I get the Lexington and the Yorktown. After that, we're prioritizing Italian cruisers and British battleships. Or rather, British destroyers and Italian cruisers, because, yes. I mean, I like carriers like anyone else, but no, we're not going full-on hard-out carrier. Now, maybe in the next episode, I might end up getting this. I might give this a try, but, can't guarantee anything. But, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.